How tangential flow filtration, or TFF, works. A TFF process will include a hollow fiber filter module, a pump, and a feed reservoir containing the processing fluid shown in blue. A permeate reservoir is used to collect the permeate during the process. Tubing is connected, fed through the pump head to and from the feed and retentate ports of the filter. A permeate line is also connected to the permeate reservoir. Inline pressure transducers monitor pressures and calculate transmembrane pressures. The processing fluid is drawn into the hollow fiber filter. As the solution enters the hollow fiber filter, particles smaller than that of the pores on the hollow fiber filter passes through the porous wall structure. This results in the permeate shown in red being collected in the permeate reservoir. However, most of the feed flow is returned to the feed reservoir. This process is known as concentration. This process is continued until the feed fluid is brought to the desired concentration. One filter module consists of many hollow fiber filters. As the fluid flows from bottom to top, smaller particles, the red cubes, pass through the porous structure of the membrane. Larger particles, shown as blue cubes, are too large to traverse through the membrane and are retained within the hollow fiber filter.